If you love street style Chinese food but worried about low quality sauces, then do try this recipe and you are going to love it. This recipe of chili paneer is simple, easy and friendly to make. But before moving into the recipe, I welcome you all to our channel Pinch of Everything, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Let's start the recipe by making the sauce for the chili paneer. For that we need 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and some oregano, and also we need half tablespoon of vinegar. I just saw that it was not recorded when I was editing the video, so you can add that half tablespoon vinegar also. Mix all the ingredients together and our sauce will be ready. Now we are going to move for the next step. Cut the paneer into a big size cubes and place it in a wide bowl. And now we are going to add 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then coat the paneer well with the batter. If you feel the batter is little dry, you can add some water so that it will coat properly with the paneer. Moving on to our next step, for that we need to heat up a pan and adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add the paneer cubes in batches to the hot oil depending on the size of the pan. Stir and spread the paneer while frying to avoid sticking to the bottom and fry over medium heat. Fry till it turns crispy and brown in color. This will take around 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat, and once it's done, remove the paneer and keep it aside. Now comes the final step of making chili paneer. For that we need to heat up a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil, and then goes in some chopped garlic. Along with that add 1 green chili. Saute until they smell good. Switch the flame to high and then add cubed onions and capsicum. Saute on a high flame till they are slightly cooked but still crunchy. Once the veggies are fried for a minute, pour the sauce which we have made earlier to this. In restaurants they add corn flour and water mixture to this for the glossy look, but we are making the healthier version, so we are completely skipping the step. Then allow the sauces to bubble and thicken as well. Taste the sauce and add some salt and sauce if needed. Turn off the stove and let the sauce cool down a bit. I hope you will try this chili paneer recipe and enjoy as much as we did. Do snap a picture and share us on Instagram with #pinchofeverything, and please do subscribe and like this video, and you can also follow us on Instagram, Pinterest and Facebook for more recipes and ideas. Finally add fried paneer, and if you are not used any corn flour slurry for the sauce, then toss on a medium flame for 1 to 2 minutes to bring a smoky aroma. Garnish chili paneer with some chopped spring onion and serve immediately. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope to see you super soon for more recipes and ideas.